Okay, hi. So what we are going to do is we are going to set up a Palo Alto lab in VMware workstation. So we are going to use VM series Palo Alto firewall in our lab, and we are going to create one host machine, and we are going to create one more thing called a DMZ, and then we are going to connect it with the internet. So we'll go with a diagram first, how that how the architecture is, and then we'll set up the same through this one. Okay, so our VM series firewall, we are going to install it, and we are going to create like uh, we are going to create some zones into that. So first thing is, let's go with the LAN. We are having one client machine in the LAN, and then we are going to have one server in our let's say in our DMZ, and then we are going to create one in internet. Cloud is internet. So basically three things. We are going to create a three zone, uh, three zones into that. Like let's say, where is that? Okay. So one is connectivity, where it is connected to this one, and let's basically it is a connectivity, not another one. This one, another one, and this one. Okay. So what we are going to create it. So basically it is not a arrow mark because we usually work with the what is happening? Why? Stylus. Yeah, so it's not arrow mark though. So basically we are doing it where is that? There is a something like here it is. Text, yes. So one is DMZ, it's a demilitarized zone. They call us like where your actual external servers will be reside. Another one is where LAN. Another one is your internet zone. So these are the three zones which we are going to create it, and we have to go with the specific subnets for this one. Let's take this one. So basically this internet zone is nothing but it will be connect to my local Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, my local, it will be my rocker router. So what we are going to do is we are going to go with the subnet ranges for each one. So here we are going to keep it as 10.20.20. Let's go with the 10.111. Go with 20 only. 20.20.0/24. That's our LAN. What we are going with our 172.16.16.0/24. That is our DMZ. So my internet zone, we are not going to give any specific IP address. We are going to use my local Wi-Fi routers subnet 192.168.10.0/24. So what do we need to do is we need to create all of these things in the VMware. So virtual network adapt when you install a VMware workstation, you will get a virtual network editor. You need to create these subnets with the name, and then you need to attach this into the VM series, and you have to deploy all the servers into that one. So what we are going to do currently, so this is our lab setup. What we are going to create it in this one first, we are going to create the subnets in the VMware network editor. So in this one, uh, virtual virtual network editor. So you need to open a virtual network editor. If you like, you need to open it, you need a VMware workstation basically. So currently VMware workstation is free now. They made it as a before it was a paid one, but now it is made to as a free one. So we are going to create it. So first thing is You need to click on change settings here. It will open. You can wait it. And now you can see it has been opened. So what we are going to do is we are going to add network, which is our VMnet 6. Okay, just give OK. Since I already have a name WAN, DMZ and other thing, I'm going to rename it as a PA WAN, a PA LAN, sorry, PA LAN. This is our LAN network card. Click OK and disable the DHCP service to distribute the IP address, because we may configure the DHCP server in future in firewall. So we are just disabling it, and then we just change the subnet IP address as we given in the lab in the diagram, which is 10.20.20, which is 10.20.20 10.20.20 sorry, 0. And this is our this one. Just click apply, and then so once it's applied, we are going to create a next interface. Click on add network again, VM's net 7. Click OK. Just rename the network as it is, which is BADMZ. Just give OK, and then again same. We are going to handle the DSCP in the firewall in future, so we are just disabling it here, and then just give this 172.16.16.0/24. So you have to verify, because since you may create a new, you may not have any conflict in this one. Since I am already having a lot of virtual networks, I have to confirm it before doing it. Okay, so 16.16.0, and then just apply. So third one, we are not going to create it because it is already there in the in here. Let me show you. So this is called as a bridge adapter, where we are going to use our own Wi-Fi network card into a bridge one. So you can see bridge is already there. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. So bridge, it will be in default only. Okay, and then you can see the bridge is automatic, like bridge selection is. So if you drop down, you can see all the available network cards in your local host machine. So we are not going to change anything on that one. Just give OK for now. So what we currently did is like we have just completed to create the virtual network adapters for our VM series. So we have created this network. Okay, this is already there. So the next one, what we are going to do is we need to install the uh, Palo Alto firewall into that. To do that, you have to open it, which means you need a VMX file, and you need to open it here. So currently I'm not having it, so we just stop over here.